Hello friends. Welcome to our Premium Institute channel. Friends, आज इस वीडियो में हम कवर करेंगे इम्पोर्टेंट अपॉइंटमेंट ऑफ 2025। यही वीडियो आपके एग्जाम्स के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है। लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। चेयरमैन ऑफ द सेंट्रल बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्ट टैक्सेस श्री रवि अग्रवाल। न्यू फाइनेंस सेक्रेटरी अजय सेठ। Chairman of the Indian Space Research Organization, Dr. V. Narayanan. First woman Director General of Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, Nallathambi Kalaiselvi. Chairman of Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO, Dr. Sameer V. Kamath. Director of Vikram Sarabhai Space Center, Shri A. Rajarajan. Director General of Sashastra Seema Bal, SSB. Sanjay Singhal. Vice Chief of the Indian Army. Lieutenant General Rajiv Ghai. Chairman of the Securities and Exchange Board of India. Tuhin Kanta Pandey. 26th Governor of Reserve Bank of India, RBI. Sanjay Malhotra. 4th Deputy Governor of RBI. M. Rajeshwar Rao, Swaminathan J. T. Rabi Shankar, Michael Patra. Chief Election Commissioner of India, Gyanesh Kumar. Executive Director of Reserve Bank of India, RBI. Sonali Sen Gupta. New Chief Minister of Delhi, Rekha Gupta. President of the Associated Chambers of Commerce and Industry of India, Nirmal Kumar Minda. Second Principal Secretary to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Shaktikant Das. Chairman of Food Corporation of India, FCI, Ashutosh Agnihotri. First woman Director General of Railway Protection Force, RPF, Sonali Mishra. New Chairman of National Human Rights Commission, V. Rama Subramanian. New Chairman of the Union Public Service Commission, UPSC, Dr. Ajay Kumar. Vice President of the Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry, Anant Goenka. Secretary of Board of Control for Cricket in India, BCCI, Devjit Sekia. President of the Board of Control for Cricket in India, BCCI, Mithun Manhas. First Woman Law Secretary, Anju Rathi Rana. First Chairman of National Turmeric Board, Palle Ganga Reddy. New Controller and Auditor General, K. Sanjay Murthy. New MD and CEO of Punjab National Bank, Ashok Chandra. New Chairman of State Bank of India, Challa Srinivasulu Sethi. Attorney General India, R. Venkatramani. Chief Justice of India, Justice Surya Kant. Lieutenant Colonel in Territory Army, Neeraj Chopra. Viksit Bharat Bildathan, India largest school hackathon, Brand Ambassador, Shubhanshu Shukla. First Indian to reach International Space Station. First transgender member of Supreme Court appointed committee, Akkai Padmashali. Ambassador for the English Premier League, EPL, Indian cricketer Sanju Samson. Director General of the Central Industrial Security Force, CISF, Praveer Ranjan. Director General of the Indo-Tibetan Border Police, ITBP, Praveen Kumar. 13th Director of the Botanical Survey of India, BSI, Dr. Kanad Das. Controller General of Communication Accounts, Vandana Gupta. Vice President of India, C.P. Radhakrishnan. Chairperson of the Governing Board of the National Stock Exchange, Srinivas Injeti. Director of CSIR, National Institute of Science Communication and Policy Research, Dr. Geetha Vani Raisam. Chairman and Managing Director of NHPC Limited. Bhupender Gupta, Chief Executive Officer of the Food Safety and Standards Authority of India. Shri Rajat Punhani, Ambassador to the United Arab Emirates. Dr. Deepak Mittal, Chief Secretary of Uttar Pradesh. Shashi Prakash Goyal, Vice Chief of the Army Staff. Lieutenant General Pushpendra Singh, Director on the Central Board of the Reserve Bank of India, RBI. Anuradha Thakur, Director of the Atal Innovation Mission. Deepak Bagla, Governor of Haryana. Professor Ashim Kumar Ghosh, Governor of Goa. Puspati Ashok Gajpati Raju, Lieutenant Governor for Ladakh. Kavinder Gupta, New Chairperson of the National Medical Commission. Dr. Abhijat Sheth, Commonwealth Youth Peace Ambassador. Sukanya Sonowal, First Woman Aide-de-camp to the President of India. Lieutenant Commander Yashasvi Solanki, Chairman of the Economic Advisory Council to the Prime Minister. S. Mahendra Dev, Chairman of the BRICS Chamber of Commerce Industry. Harvansh Chawla, President of the International Centre of Films for Children and Young People. Jitendra Mishra, Chairperson of the Athletes Commission of the Indian Weightlifting Federation. Saikho Mirabai Chanu, Chairperson of the Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industries Media and Entertainment Committee South. Kamal Hassan, Full-time Member of Niti Aayog. Rajiv Gauba, Speaker of the Delhi Legislative Assembly. Vijender Gupta, Director General of the Bureau of Civil Aviation Security. Rajesh Nirvan, Governor of Manipur. Ajay Kumar Bhalla, Governor of Mizoram. Dr. Vijay Kumar Singh, Governor of Odisha. Hari Babu Kambhapti, Governor of Kerala. Rajendra Vishwanath Harlekar. Friends, यह important appointment of 2025. Friends, अगर आपको हमारी वीडियो नॉलेजेबल लगी तो हमारी वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर करो एंड हमारे प्रीमियम इंस्टीट्यूट के चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू प्रेस बेल आइकन फॉर नोटिफिकेशन ऑफ न्यू वीडियोज. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.